Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to talk a little late-breaking racing news. So I woke up this morning like any other morning. Picked my little daughter up out of her loft bed, lay her in ours for a minute while we're getting her ready to go to school. Thank God she is actually going in-person school now. It's been almost a year. Once I get that part done, like anybody else, scroll through some big tech, and what did I find right away? It looks like the MotoGP round at COTA for 2021, April 16th through the 18th, has been postponed, right? They've shuffled their schedule due to COVID-19 related concerns. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sick of this COVID-19 related delay, right? It seems to be impacting our lives in a lot of ways. When I look at this, what I see is a great opportunity for our national series, Moto America. Normally, they would participate in that round with one class, which would be the Superbike class. And that's a great class, and it's awesome to see them sharing the world stage, right, with MotoGP. Just like you all, yeah, I like to watch a MotoGP race, but I'll be honest with you, you'd never get me to turn off a Moto America race to turn on a MotoGP race. In 2020, our national series did a bang-up job of moving forward. During all the COVID-19 related challenges, right, they pushed forward, they made the events happen. We had great racing. We got to take part in 3 of those rounds at the end of the season, and I can't tell you how impressive that whole team of people really is, and I applaud their efforts for bringing us that racing entertainment in 2020, right? And they were doing it at a time when nobody else was. You really have to respect that effort, and that's kind of the American spirit, isn't it? So where I'm heading with all this, when I see this postponement on the MotoGP schedule, all I see is opportunity. What I hope happens is Moto America is able to pull off a full standalone event there at COTA, the 16th through the 18th. That would be badass. All classes participating. Yes, I'm slightly biased, right? Because then I could be there with my little buddy Max Van racing the SportbikeTrackGear.com Junior Cup class. And I can't tell you what a joy it would be to see the kid and to help the kid race, right? There at that world-class facility that we're all typically accustomed to seeing, the big world class there. The racing that we have in front of us here in our national series is epic, right? I know when Max and I weren't at the races at the end of the year, we watched all of it. Moto America Live Plus. Caleb, I need you to put a link to Moto America Live Plus. I'm going to be hitting you guys up all year, right? Spend a few bucks on this. There is so much entertainment value in this thing. I promise you, it pays back over and over and over. Max and I watched all these races, many multiple times. He's really into it. There's a lot of the Junior Cup races from last year, right? Especially before he started racing, maybe even more so after he was in them to a certain degree, that he's watched multiple times, and you're able to do that with this app. It's a tremendous value. Tickets and travel, right? The word I've gotten thus far is the expectations are we will be able to have fans at the events this year. That's something we'll keep you updated on round by round. My hope is, right, we're all able to travel there, and if that isn't case the fact, let's all get off our collective asses and let's buy some tickets, show up, and be part of something great.